Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Meta AI to create amazing videos, even if you're a complete beginner. So let's start with the basics. Meta AI is a smart artificial intelligence tool created by Meta, the company behind Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. It helps you generate content like text, images, and even video ideas just by typing simple instructions. Now, how do you actually make videos with it? Step 1. Access Meta AI. You can use it inside apps like WhatsApp, Instagram, or Facebook. Just open the chat with Meta AI and start typing your request. Step 2. Write a clear prompt. This is the most important part. For example, you can type something like, "Create a cinematic scene of a sunset over mountains with a peaceful vibe." The more detailed your description is, the better results you'll get. Step 3. Generate visuals. Meta AI might create images or short visual content. Right now, full video generation is still limited, but don't worry, you can turn these images into a video easily. Step 4. Convert into video. Download the images or clips and use editing apps like CapCut to combine them. Add transitions, background music, and effects to make it look like a real video. Step 5. Add voice and final touch. You can record your own voice or use AI voice tools for narration. This makes your video more professional and engaging. Here's a quick pro tip. Always experiment with prompts. Try words like cinematic, realistic, or anime style to get different creative results. So yeah, that's how you can use Meta AI to create videos step by step. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.